Okay, the tinytex package was installed, finally. Um, and next, we just need to run this last line, which installs the necessary font that is available, called Open Sans. It's a little bit easier to print out across all the different tables and documents that we create. If you get some of these warnings, don't worry about it. I mean, they should be fine. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. There we go, finally doing things. Excellent, okay, so now it's running. Now we are finally able to move on to main. So what I'm gonna do first, just so that R is completely reset, I'm going to first remove any hidden objects. By going up to here and freeing the memory, it kind of just resets a lot of the things in R, and then I'm gonna go up here to session and restart R. Okay, so